Saffron, a vibrant spice known for its distinct flavor and color, holds a treasure trove of health benefits. The active compound saffronal, along with a variety of antioxidants found in saffron, plays a powerful role in combating cancer. It's also known for its antispasmodic, antidepressant, and anti-insomnia properties. Manganese, an essential mineral present in saffron, aids in regulating blood sugar levels, carbohydrate metabolism, and calcium absorption. It supports the formation of tissues, bones, and sex hormones. Additionally, saffron is a rich source of iron, crucial for hemoglobin formation, and enhances cellular nutrition, oxygen transport, and waste elimination. The vitamin C and carotenoids in saffron make it a formidable ally against infections. Vitamin B6 promotes red blood cell formation and nerve function, while potassium helps balance body fluids and control blood pressure. By consuming saffron, asthma patients may find relief as it potentially aids in widening the airways, easing the breathing process. While more evidence is needed, studies suggest that herbal teas containing saffron, nigella, anise, chamomile, cardamom, and licorice can alleviate allergy-induced asthma symptoms. Saffron's impact on mental health is noteworthy. Its active compounds, combined with potassium and vitamin B6, may improve mood and help treat depression. By increasing blood flow to the brain, saffron enhances serotonin production, the happiness hormone, thus uplifting mood and promoting a sense of well-being. With its unique blend of nutrients, saffron stands as a remarkable natural remedy that supports both physical and mental health. Sleep is essential for our well-being, yet many struggle with sleep disorders. Saffron, a spice known for its vibrant color, holds potential in helping with insomnia and sleep disturbances. Its potassium content and soothing properties can relax and calm the nerves. Try adding a pinch of saffron to warm milk before bed to experience its relaxing effects. Cancer remains a daunting challenge, but saffron might offer some help. Research suggests that saffron's active substances and antioxidants could fight cancer cells, including leukemia, skin cancer, and lymphomas. These findings are promising, though more research is needed to fully understand saffron's potential in cancer prevention and treatment. In Japan, saffron is often used to address age-related nerve problems such as memory loss, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. This spice's ability to support cognitive health makes it a focus of interest for scientists exploring treatments for neurodegenerative diseases. Saffron may also enhance sexual health. Some evidence points to its role in alleviating erectile dysfunction and improving sperm functions. While these findings are encouraging, more research is needed to confirm saffron's effectiveness in treating sexual health issues. For women, saffron can ease menstrual disorders. It might help alleviate premenstrual syndrome symptoms and regulate irregular menstrual cycles. Saffron supplements have also been found to reduce chronic uterine bleeding, highlighting its potential as a natural remedy for menstrual health. Saffron, the golden spice, is not just a culinary delight but a potent ally for your heart and arteries. Rich in essential minerals like copper, potassium, manganese, iron, zinc, and magnesium, saffron plays a significant role in heart health. Potassium, a key component in saffron, is vital for maintaining regular blood pressure and fluid balance in cells. It's crucial for the heart's functionality and rhythm regulation. The antioxidants and selenium in saffron help prevent cholesterol oxidation and inflammation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. For those prone to atherosclerosis, saffron can be a game changer. It acts as an antioxidant, enhancing blood flow and circulation, thereby lowering the chances of artery clogging. Transitioning from heart health to eye care, saffron proves its worth in vision preservation. Italian scientists discovered saffron's potential in treating age-related vision loss and certain eye conditions. It positively influences genes that regulate eye cells, protecting photoreceptors from damage and potentially preventing age-related macular degeneration and retinitis. Clinical trials have shown that saffron supplements can aid in the healing of eye cells affected by macular degeneration. The Vision Center in Australia supports these findings, highlighting saffron's antioxidant properties and its effect on genes that maintain fatty acid content in cell membranes. This makes vision cells more resilient and flexible, contributing to overall eye health. Saffron, a vibrant spice known for its rich color and aroma, is often marketed for its potential benefits during pregnancy. However, it is crucial to approach its consumption with caution. When used in moderation, saffron may offer some positive effects for pregnant women. Mixing a small amount with milk is a common practice. Potential benefits include aiding digestion, soothing stomach acidity, improving mood, lowering blood pressure, and treating some digestive issues like constipation. It may also help reduce bloating, gases, and morning sickness while preventing convulsions and fighting anemia due to its iron content. Additionally, saffron promotes sleep and may relieve symptoms of inflammation, cough, asthma, and allergies. It is also a source of essential nutrients such as folic acid, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin A, and vitamin C, which are important during pregnancy. Despite these potential benefits, it is important to note that the evidence supporting these claims is still insufficient. Pregnant women should be cautious and avoid consuming more than 10 grams of saffron per day, as it can increase the risk of miscarriage by stimulating uterine muscles. High doses can also lead to stomach disorders, vomiting, and allergies manifesting as dry mouth, headache, nausea, and tension. Our advice for pregnant women is to prioritize proven and safe methods for addressing health concerns during this sensitive time. Always consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new spice or supplement into your diet. Your health and the safety of your baby are paramount. Saffron, a luxurious spice, offers a bouquet of benefits beyond its culinary allure. Known to enhance athletic performance, it contains chemicals that may reduce stress during exercise, though more research is needed. Saffron tea, paired with a healthy diet, might alleviate psoriasis symptoms, yet further studies are required. Other potential benefits include relieving gas and bloating, pain treatment, and aiding in alopecia. Traditionally, saffron finds its place in treating asthma, cough, and as a remedy for sleep disorders. It's a natural ally against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer, and may assist in managing depression and Alzheimer's. Saffron is also valuable for its aphrodisiac properties and can ease menstrual cramps. In industries, it is prized for its role in perfumes, fabrics, and dyes. As we uncover more about this golden spice, its applications in health and industry continue to grow. Besides its wide culinary uses, saffron is celebrated for its medicinal properties. It acts as an expectorant, helping to clear mucus and alleviate respiratory issues. Saffron's potential in preventing chronic diseases like cancer reflects its antioxidant properties. Women may find it beneficial for easing menstrual discomfort, while men might use it to address certain sexual health concerns. Its application on the scalp can aid in treating alopecia and baldness, showcasing its versatility in promoting skin and hair health. Saffron, often referred to as the golden spice, is packed with numerous active compounds and nutrients. Its vibrant color comes from carotenoids and acrosin, while its distinct flavor is attributed to safranal. Saffron is rich in antioxidants and essential oils, including cineol, panthenol, and geraniol. It's also a powerhouse of vitamins like A, C, and folic acid, and minerals such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, and iron. However, consuming saffron in large amounts can lead to side effects like anxiety, drowsiness, and dizziness. It's important to be cautious, especially for pregnant or nursing women, those with allergies, heart patients, and individuals with low blood pressure. Saffron might also affect mood, which can exacerbate symptoms in individuals with bipolar disorder. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding saffron to your diet.